I created a browser extension for pen device and pen tablet users. It makes you to be able to control browser tabs with Windows Ink. As you know, Windows Ink is a comfortable system to use. It can make you to operate comfortably in sync with the pen. But it doesn't seem to work with my browser tabs sometimes. So I created this browser extension so that you can operate browser tabs with the pen. To double tap or triple click quickly to open in a new window. To single click to move into tab selection mode. In this mode, you can select some tabs in the same window. Tap another window to move tabs to another window. Click icon to open tabs in a new window. To cancel selection, pull out the tab by pen. Click icon when you select only one tab. Those operations are gonna be cancelled. You can download it from the link below. You can also use in black and white color mode. I would be happy if you could support me if you like it.